pour this into your pot and watch the burnt stains disappear on their own. This is the easiest trick for burnt cookware no one ever told you about. Burnt pots are a nightmare for many people. They're hard to clean, and scrubbing takes forever. But there's a simple method that works fast and without effort. Fill the pot with water until it covers the burnt bottom. Now, add 2 tablespoons of the secret ingredient. I'll reveal what it is in a moment. Put the pot on the stove over medium heat. The mixture starts working right away because the ingredient instantly breaks down grease and burnt-on residue. After just a few minutes, you'll see the burnt bits lifting off the bottom. What's left is dirty, dark water that you can simply pour down the sink. Then add water with dish soap to the pot and clean off the remaining residue. Finally, rinse the pot under running water, and it's ready. Your cookware regains its shine, looks like new, and can be used again immediately. And the secret ingredient that makes it all possible is plain citric acid. It has powerful cleaning and degreasing properties. A simple trick with an amazing result. With this method, you'll never throw away a burnt pot again.